Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. I believe the most exceptional organizations create value for their shareholders by inspiring their people to consistently turn up as the best version of themselves. For me, this inspiration starts with the idea of just work for everyone who works in, with, and for the organization. Just work includes my belief that it's possible to be just at work, to do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Everyone has the right to be well managed. What might such a radical proposition as everyone has the right to be well managed mean? I figure it means helping the people you lead through your management hierarchy to properly understand the context of the work they're doing. They feel connected to the overall purpose of the enterprise and are aligned to its vision and values. They work to arrive rather than arrive to work. They're empowered with the requisite authority over the resources required to quit all of that for which you hold them accountable. You know what you've called for is both reasonable and possible, given the human and material resources you place at their disposal. They have a deep sense of the significance of what they're doing and experience the world as a better place for them being in it. They feel safe to make mistakes while exploring new ways of being and doing. They're inspired by the prospect of continuous learning and growth. If you want better ways to do better work, in every moment, always strive to do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.